Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of periodic table. We go to settings. Here in this page you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about periodic table. Then in this list you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here first stop. Then you will enter to storage. After that you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.